Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to name your motorcycle club for GTA 5. So to name your motorcycle club, at first you must buy it. And after you buy it, all you have to do is take out your phone, pressing the scroll button on your mouse. As your phone pops up, go to the option Internet and click it. And after that, go to the Money and Services and click on it. And go on the option foreclosures.mazebank.com and just click on it and press enter site and go for the filter clubhouses, because the motorcycle club is also known as the clubhouses in GTA Online, and search for the your clubhouse, and after research it, just click on it and click on the renovate option. As you can see, the option club name, so click on here and go in the typing box and just name anything you want. And just hit enter and click on the renovate option. So guys, that's how you name your motorcycle club on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.